So we recently had some increased market volatility at the start of the year, primarily as a result of the tensions between the US and Iran. We're going to dive into that next and what that means for your investment portfolio. Hello, my name is Paul Zachary Shelton Jr., and I am the Chief Investment Officer at Warwick Advisors. We are a wealth management and investment management firm located in Orlando, Florida. And if you have any questions about your retirement, about investing, or anything in the investment landscape, please reach out to us directly. We'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Additionally, please leave a comment in this video below with any concerns or any questions that you have about this topic or any topic as it relates to the financial industry. Also, please like and subscribe and share this video so that we can continue to grow the financial literacy of this world. Very important thing to do. So last week there were some drone attacks by the US that were carried out on some interest of ISIS in Baghdad. And as a result of those attacks, one of the top generals for Iran was killed. So the big question of the day is, will the tension between the US and Iran lead to a potential recession in the markets? And what role will it play in the first quarter of the investment landscape? There has been increased tension in geopolitical events that have taken place over the last 48 hours between the United States and Iran. And it seems like the tensions are beginning to escalate more and more. As we're getting into trading today, coming off as I look at the market, it looks like we're going to be opening up low again, or soft again in the market. This is a similar thing that we've seen at the end of last week when we were closing the market. So we're still currently evaluating the response that Iran will have to the United States. They did mention that they will take vengeance and that they will respond, but we don't know exactly what that means and in what manner that response will be carried out in. Right now we have a strong US economy that is continuing to show signs of growth. Where we see most of the tension coming from is primarily from the geopolitical events that have taken place over the last 5 days or so between the United States and Iran. Now, if this tension continues to escalate, there is fear that this will lead into a potential war. Year to date for 2020, the markets are still positive, although we are coming upon a point where we're expecting increased volatility over the next several weeks or so. The RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index, is currently at 64 for the S&P 500. Now this is down from a week ago at 76. Typically, any levels above 70 are considered overbought, and levels below 30 are considered oversold. Whenever we see heightened volatility like this, we always like to take the opportunity or take this opportunity to review our portfolios for any possible or potential tax loss harvesting scenarios. So this is a great time to rebalance and review your portfolio to see if there's any, early losses that you can realize this coming year as you rebalance the portfolio from the end of last year. If you are looking for a wealth management firm, an investment management firm to help you navigate the investment landscape and navigate through the markets, please reach out to me directly. You can contact us at investments@warwickshore.com. We look forward to working with you and help you reach your financial goals.